Today, we are addressing a prevailing misconception: mirrorless cameras are only for travel photography. But let's debunk this myth once and for all. It's true that mirrorless cameras are excellent companions for travelers. Their compact size and lightweight design make them perfect for people on the move. However, here's the twist: mirrorless cameras are far more versatile than you might think. Let's talk about portraits, for instance. Mirrorless cameras are not just good, they're fantastic at capturing stunning portraits. With top-notch image quality and the ability to change lenses, you have all the creative freedom you need to make your subjects look their best. Now, onto sports and wildlife photography. If you are a fan of these genres, mirrorless cameras are your best friends. They offer lightning-fast autofocus, ensuring you won't miss that perfect shot of your favorite sports moment or that elusive wildlife encounter. But there's another feather in their cap. If you are into video content creation, mirrorless cameras have got your back. They're incredible for shooting high-quality videos, making them the go-to choice for vlogging and content creators. So, let's put this myth to bed once and for all: mirrorless cameras are versatile tools suitable for a wide range of photography genres. They're not limited to travel photography, although they do excel in that department too. In conclusion, whether you are a travel enthusiast, a portrait artist, a sports fanatic, or a filmmaker, mirrorless cameras have got your back. Don't let these myths hold you back. Go ahead, get yourself a mirrorless camera, and explore your passion. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss out on our myth-busting photography tips and tricks. See you in the next one.